jab drill with a medicine ball. So what we're going to do is, keeping our hands up, we're going to be teaching her how to keep her hands up better. Throw just a regular jab. When you throw your jab, you want to lean, put all the weight on this front quad, keep your elbow in nice and tight. She's twisting at the last second, throwing the jab, and then bring her hand back. Now the other hand, a lot of people like to drop. So we're going to take the medicine ball and stick it right on the inside of her hand. Holding the right arm, keeping the elbow in as tight as she can. She can't drop this medicine ball. If she drops the medicine ball, then she's going to have to do 10 extra push-ups. Moving around the bag, so I'm going to keep throwing the jab. So she's working her jab, she's keeping her hands up. That's it, keep it up. Keep going, work that jab. So you can do different drills, you can time this, or you can do sets of 10, 3 sets of 10, you can do minute drills, it's up to you. Work with the medicine ball in the arm, work the jab. Good. So like if after I say my last